Hey guys, welcome to A Counselor's Journey to Private Practice. How's everyone doing today? Hopefully you are doing well. And we made it. We made it to 2021. We survived. We can take a deep breath. We can practice gratitude, affirmations, positive mindset. And you're here today. You're here today because we are going to look at self-care. Self-care, this variable that we need integrated into our lives, into our journey of private practice, so that we're able to show up for ourselves and show up for all those that we serve. I think often whenever clinicians are looking at building a successful private practice, there's such a heavy amount, overwhelming amount of focus on marketing, on sales, on conversions, of having your caseload full, um, on creating passive income, which is beautiful. Yes, certainly focus on those areas. Take time to actually actively engage in them. But then there's this other part, this really equally important part that I think we skip over. And we often, and I like to laugh about it because we often do a good job on preaching, on sharing it with those that we serve, sharing it with our patients, letting them know, hey, you gotta make sure you do your self-care, right? You gotta make sure you take care of you. Take a hot bath, stay in there for 5 or 10 minutes longer, 20 minutes longer. After work, don't just go straight to work some more at home. Hit the gym for a while, go for a nice nature walk, right? This is what you share with those that you serve, your patients. But what about you? Before we go into the importance or any of those variables about self-care, let's talk about the big why. The big why is that you have goals. It's 2021. People are all about goals right now, and you have goals that you want to achieve. Whether you want to go from a 6-figure to 7-figure, 7 to 8-figure, or you're just getting started off and you're at 4-figure to 5-figure, you have goals you want to achieve. Maybe this is your year to create your first book and to sell it, whether you're self-publishing or going through a publishing company. Maybe this is your first year to say, hey, I can take everything I'm doing in my sessions and bring it into a course. Or you're going to do public speaking. Or you're going to go from part-time to full-time. Or you're part of a community agency and then you're taking that leap of faith, leap of hope, and you are going to start your own private practice. All of those things are exciting. And all of those things means that you, my friend, you need to be okay. You need to be thriving. You need to be excited. You need to be energized. But to do that, we got to engage in self-care, right? You probably beat me to the punch. Self-care. So what I like to do is I like to think about my kids. My kids love to play with glitter. They like to sprinkle glitter on all sorts of things. And that really upsets me. Pisses me off sometimes because I'm like, how did glitter get all over my beard or all over this or all over that? But it's fun. It's fun. And I bring that up because every day we're given 24 hours. I know we're not awake during all those 24 hours, but you're awake during some of them. And you're sprinkling things in there. You're sprinkling work, advocacy, your notes, case management. But what about self-care? Self-care is that glitter. So I like to look at us as video game characters. In the morning, you are a green. Green means you got your full energy. You're ready to go. You're ready to be excited to take on life and everything that's going to bring your way. But you do a session. I do this video right here with you. My energy is going down. Even though I'm excited and I love what I'm doing, it's still going down a little bit. So I want to make sure that, as my kids say, let's play with glitter. I want to make sure that I threw glitter into my day. Glitter is my self-care. Then maybe after I get off of this, I go and I take my dog for a walk. Or I sit and play with him for a while. I don't rush to the next thing. I take a bath, but I don't sit in there for 10 minutes. I sit in there for half an hour, 45 minutes. Put some rosemary. I love rosemary. Put some of that in there. Get the lights a little bit low. I like it. That's just me. It makes me feel really comfortable. But I want you to think about what's your self-care. Because at the end of the day, you are trying to live your best life, right? You're also trying to do all those things that we just shared. Build passive income. Market your practice. Go from 4 to 5 figures, 6 to 7 figures. All those things, I know you can accomplish them. And it's easier for us to accomplish them if we are taking care of ourselves, if we have clarity. We have that clear mindset. So as you leave here today, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. One is find your glitter and put that bad boy into your life. Number 2 is I would love if you would subscribe, join. Join our YouTube channel, help us build our community. You probably hear my dog, Riddle. He's like, come on, get off of that video and play with me. And the last one is I would love if you would share the channel, Counselor's Journey to Private Practice, the YouTube channel, the podcast of Counselor's Journey. Share it with your colleagues. Let them know that we are helping. We are here to serve. We're here to let clinicians not make all the mistakes that I have made way too many times, so that you don't have to make them, so that you can focus on the things that you want to focus on. Thank you for being here. Thank you for sharing space with me. Have a beautiful day.